In this video, we will be learning how to set up an auto search for your buyers using Stellar MLS. Let's begin. First, log into Stellar MLS and go to Matrix. Your screen should look something like this. Click Search on the top of the screen. In this scenario, we will be preparing an auto search for a residential home buyer. This is the search screen. Here, you will enter all of the buyer search criteria. In this scenario, we will search by city, but you can also search by zip code or even draw boundaries on a map. Next, we will enter the price range. Now enter the number of beds and baths. You can use a plus or a hyphen here. This buyer is only interested in single-family homes, so we will select that here. They need a garage, so we will scroll down and select that here. They don't want any stairs in the home, so select one level. Now scroll down a little bit and find the Additional Fields button. This feature is easy to miss, but arguably one of the most important ones. Here you can find every searchable field on Stellar MLS. There are a lot you'll never need, but take a look at the box on the right. Those are some that I find very useful. Click back. Now scroll down and you'll see the additional fields you've just added. The public remarks field is great, but requires a very specific input. Pay close attention to the placement of the asterisks and commas. The search will now only yield listings that include the words or phrases you've typed in their description. Don't use overly specific words and phrases. Stick to cliches that will yield the most amount of relevant results. Now scroll back up and click Results. Behold, Results. You can click on the MLS number to view an individual listing. You can also use the arrow keys or press Next to move to the next listing. Press Agent Single Line Display to return to the list view. Navigate to the bottom of the page and press Save. Then press New Auto Email. Now create a contact for the buyer you've prepared the auto search for. You'll need to enter their name and email. Even though it's not required, it's best practice to enter their phone number. This way you can always easily find that person's contact info. Enter a subject for the email. Now scroll down and configure the schedule. You don't want to spam your clients, so configure the schedule wisely. If your search has more than 30 results, I'd advise against setting the schedule to ASAP. Now press Save, and your client will receive an introduction email. I'm going to show you one more life hack before the video ends. Click on your name in the top right corner and click Settings, then click Portal Notification Settings. On this screen, you'll be able to configure your notifications. I recommend turning some of them on so you can keep track of your buyer's activity. This helps tremendously with follow-ups and staying top of mind. If this video helped you set up an auto search, like and subscribe, or consider joining Maverick Realty. That'd be cool too.